Meanwhile, the Westmoreland police have released the names of a number of persons wanted in connection with several crimes, including murders in that parish. Divisional Commander for the Westmoreland Police, Superintendent Gary McKenzie, is urging the suspects to turn themselves in immediately, as the cops will be using all available resources to apprehend them. Atop the list is Duchesne Allen, otherwise called Nigel.
And he's wanted for 3 murders which were committed in the BETHEL town area. The other is Isaiah Perry, otherwise called Matthew. He frequents the Morgan's Bridge or Grangeville area, and he's wanted for murder. Burton Shearer, otherwise called Bop, he's wanted for murder, and he's from the Morgan's Bridge area. Rommel Poyser, he is a person who is wanted for murder, and he's also a dangerous member belonging to a criminal organization, and he's from the Savlamar area.
The list also includes Anthony Osborne, otherwise called Burns, wanted for shooting with intent and illegal possession of firearm, and Frank Thompson, wanted for several crimes including shooting. He is from Frome District.
Otherwise called Cappy. He is from the Sav area, and he's wanted for shooting. We also have Andre Freckleton, otherwise called Kunte. He's from the Red Ground district in Negril, and he's wanted for murder, and he frequents the Groveland district area of Negril. Other one is Masharn Samuels, otherwise called Ami, and he's from Hatfield district in Savlamar, and he's wanted for murder. We have Ronil Cameron, and he's from Marchpen Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and he's wanted for manslaughter.
The list also included several persons of interest who the cops are imploring to turn themselves in for questioning.
Courtney Hall, otherwise called Matthew, and he's from the Savlamar area. Jason Harris, otherwise called Timmy, he's also from the Savlamar area. We have Sean Smith, otherwise called Blacks. He's from the 3 Miles area of Frome. And we have Alistair Drummond, otherwise called Al. He's from the Savlamar area.